The latest Netflix series Killer Soup, starring Konkona Sharma and Manoj Bajpayee in the lead, has got everyone hooked. The constant tussle between Paya soup and the events going around makes the show spicy and tangy. Talking of Paya soup, it's also known as trotter soup. The soup primarily consists of slow-cooked trotters, usually from goats or sheep, along with a melange of aromatic spices and herbs. The slow cooking process helps to break down collagen into gelatin, which promotes digestion and a healthy gut lining. This means this soup is not just a tasty indulgence, it also serves as a nutritional powerhouse. And if you're wondering how to make Paya soup at home, here's a guide for you. To prepare Paya soup, soak trotters in water for a few hours. Once done, boil the trotters until tender. Meanwhile, cook onions, ginger garlic paste and tomatoes until the raw smell disappears. Now, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and salt. Then, whisk yogurt and add it to the masala. Cook it until the mixture thickens. Mix the boiled trotters with the masala and simmer for an additional 30 to 40 minutes for the flavors to blend. And you're done. But remember, this soup is not a healthy option for people who are suffering from any kind of medical condition. In that case, you can make your soup by adding a combination of vegetables, mushrooms, seaweed and herbs to the aforementioned masala. Have you tried this killer Paya soup yet? Or are you planning to try it? Do share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for all things trending.